If you want to know how to email an Evernote note quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to send one of your Evernote notes by email, whether you want to share meeting notes, a checklist, a project update, or any other important information. This is a really useful feature when you want to send a note without copying and pasting everything into a separate email. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's get started. First, open Evernote and sign into your account. Once you're inside, find the note that you want to email. You can use the search bar if you already know the title, or you can browse through your notebooks and recent notes until you locate it. The important thing here is to open the exact note you want to share so you're sending the correct content to the right person. After the note is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. In Evernote, this is usually where sharing options are located, and it gives you several ways to distribute your note depending on your version of the app. When the sharing menu appears, select Email if that option is available. Some versions of Evernote may place this under a Share drop-down, so if you don't see it right away, take a moment to check the menu carefully. Once you choose Email, a sending window should appear where you can enter the recipient's email address. Type in the person's email exactly as you want it to be delivered. If you're sending it to more than one person, use the correct format for multiple recipients if your version allows it. It's always a good idea to double-check the email address before sending, because even one small typo can send the note to the wrong place. Next, if you want, you can add a message. This optional message is helpful if you want to explain why you're sending the note, give a little context, or point out specific details the recipient should focus on. For example, you might say the note contains meeting action items, a draft outline, or a list of follow-up tasks. Even a short message can make the email feel more clear and professional. After that, take one final look at everything, make sure the correct note is selected, the recipient address is accurate, and your message looks right. Then click Send. Evernote will email the note to your recipient, and the process is usually very fast. In just a few seconds, your note will be on its way without you having to manually recreate the content in an email. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to email an Evernote note in just a few simple steps. This is a great workflow for saving time and sharing information instantly, especially when you use Evernote to organize work, school, or personal projects. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.